Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning C functions. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. In this video we are going to learn about the function call in a C, call by reference. By using a call by reference, how the functions are called. Let's get started with the video. Call by reference. In a call by reference method, the address of the variable is passed to the function as parameter. The value of the actual parameter can be modified by formal parameter. Same memory is used for both actual and formal parameters, since only address is used for both parameters. Now we will see a program here. First we declared a preprocessor command. Then we are declaring a function here. Void swap int. We are using a pointer here for declaring the variables a and b. Then int main or main function will come. Inside that we declare the integer variable m and n. M is equal to 22 and n is equal to 44. Then we are calling a function. Before this we are given here a printf statement. Inside that we are written values before swap m is equal to %d and n is equal to %d comma n comma n. Here we are writing a program for the swap the numbers, and we are printf statement. By using a printf statement we are writing their values before swap. The values before the number should be swap will be print here. Then we are calling a function swap m and n. Then we close the curly bracket here. Then we are calling here, giving a definition for the swap function. Inside that we declared a integer variable tmp, and our statement block will be come here for the function. In a statement block we are written there tmp is equal to a is equal to b and b is equal to tmp. Then we are given a printf statement there, values after swap a and b. Here the value after the swapping, after swapping the numbers will be printed in a swap function. How this program will work, and after working we will get an output. Output will be like this. Values before swap m is 22 and n is 44 here, and values after swap m is 44 and n is 22 here. After performing the swap function statements here, it will come to the main function in where we called a swap function there, and we will get a result from there. How this program is work, here we will see. In this program the address of the variable m and n are passed to the function swap. It is a passing the address of the variables m and n. The values are not copied from a formal parameter to a and a b. Here our actual parameters are m and n, and formal parameter is a and b. And a and b will contain only the address of the actual parameter. It will not contain the values of the actual parameter, because they are just holding the address of those variables. A and b only hold the address of m and n. This address is used to change the values of the variables. We declared their pointer variables, and pointer variables holds the address of another variables. Inside a swap function we will get values of a is 22 and b is 44, because we declared their pointer variable. So pointer variable will hold the address of another variable. So we got a is equal to 22 and b is equal to 44, and a TMP A is equal to A, we gave the statement there, that is now we got a value for TMP is a 22. So from here we got A is equal to 22. So here value of a TMP is a 22 now. Then A is equal to B statement is given there. So now we got a value for A is a 44 because we got B is a 44. So A is a 44 now here. Next statement is a B is equal to TMP. The value of a TMP we got 22. So B will be now 22 here. This is how we swapped the numbers. So we got an output for this program. The value before swap, M is equal to 22 and N is equal to 44. The values after swap, M is equal to 44 and N is equal to 22 here. How we got a output for the swap the numbers by using a call by reference. Thank you for watching the video.